Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. I am Nimesh from Weatherman at the rate 9999 YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about the upcoming latest weather forecasts for India and Andhra Pradesh for the period of September 17th to 21st. First of all, I'm going to discuss about the weather observed during past couple of days in various parts of India and Andhra Pradesh. The rainfall activity was most over limited to many parts of eastern India and other parts of Rajasthan, the Gujarat region, and Delhi NCR and adjoining northern plains. During this period, Gujarat region, Delhi NCR region, and some parts of Rajasthan, western Madhya Pradesh, and some parts of northern plains and eastern India received some good heavy to very heavy rainfall due to the presence of a well marked low pressure area over the Madhya Pradesh region. This low pressure area was a result of a deep depression forming in Bay of Bengal around September 13th of this month. And regarding the weather in Andhra Pradesh, yes, Andhra Pradesh only received some light rains during this period as no significant weather activity was observed on and off the coastline of Andhra Pradesh and nearby the coast as well. But now regarding the new system which is being going to form in Bay of Bengal on 17th of September, yes, Andhra Pradesh might receive some moderate rainfall due to this system on 18th and some heavy rainfall on 19th, 20th and 21st as well. So let us discuss about the upcoming weather forecasts for India and Andhra Pradesh for the period of September 17th to 21st. First of all, a low pressure area, upper air cyclonic circulation is going to form in Bay of Bengal around 17th of September. This system is going to form in northeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining North Bay of Bengal around 17th of September, and due to this system Gangetic West Bengal adjoining Odisha and Jharkhand Bihar region would receive some heavy rainfall on 17th of September. Later on this system would progress traveling in a west northwest direction towards the north Odisha coast and into northwest Bay of Bengal. By September 18th, this system would be off the north Odisha coast and adjoining Gangetic West Bengal coast, and due to this system, some heavy to very heavy rainfall accompanied by gusty winds up to 40 to 50 km per hour would be likely in Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, and adjoining Bihar region on September 18th as well. And due to this system, north coastal Andhra Pradesh would also receive some good heavy to very heavy rainfall on 19th, 20th, and 21st September of this month. So, this system would further progress towards the Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh region and give some good rains to adjoining Uttar Pradesh and northern Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh region as well from September 20th. So this is all for today's weather updates. Please click on the bell icon so that you never miss on my latest videos, and don't forget to like and share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you one and all. See you in my next video.